This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pamela Ratfield. Single-story townhome with an open floor plan located in the sought-after gated community of Stoneridge. Spacious kitchen with 42 inches upper cabinets and all-black appliances. Primary bedroom is located in the back of the home for peace and quiet. Large master bathroom with a big corner soaking tub and a separate walk-in shower, oversized closet. Front of the home offers 2 more bedrooms separated with a full bath. Just minutes to shopping, dining, schools and so much more. Easy access to 95 and the beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Ratfield at 321-308-3244.